So I spent $150 buying the brand new Beautylish Lucky Bag XL. Was it actually worth it? This claims to have over a $300 value. This is my first time ever getting it. So let's go ahead and dive right on in. So this is my first time ever buying a Beautylish Lucky Bag. I did buy the XL bag, so this did retail for $150. This claims to have a $300 value, and I'm so curious to see what we got. I'm kind of nervous because I did spend over $150 on this. I bought this back in like December. It's finally here, so we're gonna go ahead and dive right on in. I really hope I did not waste my money because this shit was expensive. I'm like nervous / excited at the same time. It's like a kid at the candy store. It's like opening up presents on Christmas Day. I'm excited. Okay. I've not seen any spoilers. I've actually never watched any Beautylish unboxing, so this is like legit my first. So this is how she looks. Ooh, she looks fancy. Okay, is there any information? It says the dragons on this year Lucky Bag symbolize good luck and fortune along with power and change. We hope these surprises offer you moments of self-love that help you tap into your power in 2024. Sweet message. Okay. All right. I don't want any spoilers, but like I feel like I have to kind of like pull everything out. So it comes like this, like in this. So we'll just kind of take it one at a time. Dig my hand in here. We're gonna pull it out. So the first thing I see is something from AB. This is Augustinus Batter. This is the hair oil. Okay. I've never heard of this before, but let's start tallying up the price to see like what it equals out to. Okay, so this says that this is $54, and this is a hair oil that fuses luxury with the efficient. This is a hair oil that fuses luxury to optimize the look and feel of your hair. Inspired by over 30 years of scientific innovation, this ultra restorative elixir immediately delivers a concentrated dose of nutrition directly into the hair shaft for glass-like shine and lasting protection. I have never heard of you. I hope it smells good at least. I hope it smells like rich people hair. No, it smells okay. It smells okay. Oh no, y'all. I hope I didn't mess up. Okay, so up next, we got something from Slip. This is a pure silk skinny scrunchie. I know they did not just put a scrunchie in here. Okay, so for like a pack of them, they retail for like $28 on Amazon, and this is like the cheapest. So for 4 count, it's $28. They're about $7 a piece. About $7 a piece. Starting out great, guys. We're starting out great. Okay. We have a brush. I think this is from Refi. I don't know. There's not really any information on this. Okay, so this is actually a Sonia G brush, and this retails for $60. What? What? Why would anyone pay $60 for a brush? Wow, that's so expensive for one single brush. Woo. Okay. Alrighty, up next, we have something from Charlotte Tilbury. This is going to be the Eye Enhancing Beauty Secret Kit. This is a color-changing chameleon and award-winning pillow talk and new matte shade. I absolutely do love Charlotte Tilbury, so I'm kind of curious to see what price this retails for. Okay, so this actually retails for $35, and this is just a color morphing eyeshadow pencil. I'm not really the biggest fan of eyeshadow pencils, but we could just take a quick look at this. Here are the eye changing pencils, and then I'm just going to quickly, that's it right there. Not really that exciting for me, only because I don't really use products like these, so they're not really that exciting, but I'm sure I could use it as like lip products if I wanted to. Alrighty, up next we have something from Good Molecules. This is the hyaluronic acid serum. I actually really do love Good Molecules. I think they're a fantastic affordable brand. I used to get them in PR, and then I kind of stopped, but that's okay because I actually still just buy my stuff over at Ulta. Very affordable, and this says that this is this says that this develops deep hydration to plump the appearance of fine lines. So I'll absolutely get a use out of this, but I'm curious to see what it costs. This retails for $6. $6. Okay. All right. Up next, we got something from Wayne Goss. I've never tried anything from this brand. This is the Weightless Veil Blush Palette. So I have this shade called Nectar and Petal. Okay, this is how it looks. Very, 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 very pretty. It's so light in pigment though. I feel like this blush would be something that I would actually really be into because I like a really light, like peachy blush with like a little rose color highlight. So not too bad. Very, very pretty. I like how big this actually is. And I've always wanted to try this brand. I never have, but let's see what this cost. This retails for $45. Not a bad price. Up next, I got something from Jouer. This is Illuminize. This is a dark circle correcting and smoothing eye patches. Y'all, I could never escape eye patches. Ever since 2020, whenever I get like a BoxyCharm and Ipsy or any sort of makeup subscription services, all they would ever give me in terms of skincare was eye patches, eye creams, eye serums, eye galore. And it used to be like a really big running joke here on my channel. That's the only type of skincare products I would get. And they're bringing it back. They're bringing it back. So this is these dark eye patches. It says these eye patches visibly brighten, reduce puffiness, and minimize the appearance of dark circles with energizing caffeine, while niacinamide and hyaluronic acid hydrate and minimize the appearance of fine lines. So it looks like we got six eye patches in here. Not too bad, but let's see how much it costs. So the 6-pack retails for $30. Not too bad. Alrighty, up next, we got a little... Oh, I actually don't have this, and I always want to pick it up. This is the new Natasha Denona Mini Bronze Palette. I don't know why it said new, because it's not new. It's been out for a little bit, but I never had a chance to pick this up. I don't even have the big Natasha Denona Bronze Palette, so this is actually quite exciting. Super pretty. Usually something like this retails for like $25. So really excited to have this one. I love Natasha Denona, but for some reason, I don't know why I don't have the bronze one. But this is really, really, really pretty. Up next, we have something from RMS Beauty. This is Lip Lights in the shade called Rhapsody. Ooh, RMS Beauty. I've heard of this brand, but I've never actually tried this brand. Okay, this is definitely not the easiest tube to squeeze something out of though. That was actually quite difficult to squeeze this out. I don't like that component at all, but this is like the shade Rhapsody. It's like a lip cream, I guess. I don't know. This says that this is This is a glide onto lips, wear alone or over RMS Beauty lip products for a natural gloss finish. Y'all, well, this was struggling to get this out, so I don't know if I'm gonna really wear this that often. Really pretty color though, but let's see how much this costs. It retails for $28. Last but not least, we have something big in here. This looks to be the, oh my gosh. Wait, what? This is the Dessa Beauty. This is the Lightworks Volume 5 palette. Wait a minute. Are you serious? I did not pick up this palette. This is, oh my God. This is the Dessa palette. I was going to pick this up back when it came out a couple months ago, but I ended up not picking it up. It's like $120 something. Very, very, very beautiful palette. Most of this is going to be like shimmers and multi-chromes. Very, very beautiful formula. I have her Lightworks Volume 4 palette. Wow, that is absolutely stunning. So I'm definitely going to have to play with this for you guys so you guys can see my look whenever I create looks with this. Super, super, super pretty. I can't believe this is in here. This is an expensive palette, like expensive. I almost picked it up in the Sephora VIP sale, but ended up not getting it. But holy crap, this is the Dessa Lightwork Volume 5 palette. Look at that. Everything works out for a reason because I ended up not picking this up, but it's now in this box. So let's see how much this retails for. Okay, so this retails for $125. Okay, so overall, the total value of this box is $417. I did spend $150 on this box, and we got a total of 10 items. 10 items sitting right here in front of us. We have 5 makeup items. We have 3 skincare / hair care items, and then we do have a brush and hair scrunchie. So overall, this is my first time ever purchasing anything from Beautylish. It's my first time ever getting Lucky Bag. And I have to say, I'm not disappointed. I am not disappointed at all. I'm excited to try out I'm excited to try out like the Wayne Goss and the Natasha Denona and the Lightwork. The Charlotte Tilbury, not my favorite item. And the RMS, I wish it would have been something a little bit different. And then we do have good molecules, which I'm really excited about. We have the Jouer eye circles, which I'll definitely try. Hair oil, I could definitely pass on. Same thing with like the scrunchie. And then we have a $60 brush, which I think is a little expensive for what it is, but I've never tried this brand before, so I'm assuming it's actually really good. Was this box actually worth it? Honestly, I would say yes. I would say yes, this box is 100% worth it because the fact that the palette alone retails for $125. I spent $150 and I got 10 items in total, with one of the items being valued at $125. So to me, this is absolutely worth it. I got five makeup products, 3 skincare / hair care products, and then a brush, and then a hair slip. So for me, I think this is a really good value. I'm not mad about it at all. I'm definitely gonna get a good use out of this, and it's also introducing me to brands that I may have not tried before, like Wayne Goss and Slip and Jouer Eye stuff. Like, I'm excited to try these things. So overall, I'm very thankful that this was a little bit more worth it, because I was really scared that I just wasted my money, especially when we first started opening the box. I was like, oh no, I think I just wasted my money, but it ended up saving itself in the end. So I'm very glad I got these. This box is currently sold out. They do it once a year at the end of December, and once it's gone, it's gone. I think they're always so much fun. I've always wanted to do one. I just never had a chance to, and I finally did, and I'm not disappointed by it at all. So let me know your thoughts down below. Did you guys get this box? Did you guys not? If you did, what did you guys end up getting? I'm always so curious. But with that said, guys, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 4 to 5 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channel. It's R for the Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful page members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in my very next video.